Hey guys, what's up? So today we're having a nice change of pace. MSI sent me their entire MLG collection. So let's go ahead and build it together. So what's in the MLG lineup? We have the case, the motherboard, a graphics card, an AIO, the power supply unit, and of course the peripherals, a mouse and keyboard. So for the motherboard, we do have a B850 motherboard, and it's a good bang for your buck motherboard. But obviously, because this entire lineup is all about the look of Wangnia and the aesthetic of it, let's go ahead and take a look at what they came up with for the design of the motherboard. Move. Good boy. All right, let's do the unboxing. Wow. Ooh, what do you think, Leia? Leia likes it. Excuse me, Bean. People can't see. Let me just at least stay here. Okay? Stay there. Ooh, this looks great. New gadget smell. The first time I saw this motherboard was at PAX West, and obviously it was installed in the build. So this is the first time I'm seeing this up close in studio lighting, and I have to say I really love the vibrancy of the colors. There's some meaning behind this symbol, and I'll talk about that later on. It's also incorporated here on the MSI logo. And overall, I have to say they didn't overdo it with the colors and the prints. All right, so first thing we do before we start the build is we check for bent pins, and we put the cat off the table so that no cat hair gets on the motherboard. But the bent pin part, we check for bent pins because I got traumatized. I did a live stream one time and it didn't post, and come to discover that it was because of a bent pin. So let's check for bent pins. All right, no bent pins. We're good. So for the chip, we're using the 9700X. It's a pretty decent chip to go along with the 5070 Ti. You're not going to have to worry about bottlenecking unless you're playing a game that's very CPU intensive. Okay. So this is a pretty cute CPU socket cover. It's gonna be the only socket cover I never throw away. For RAM, we're using Kingston Fury, two 16GB, total of 32GB, and DDR5. Quick tip if you're new to building PCs, right on the motherboard, it'll tell you which slots you should use first. So right here, you see how it says first, and it points to these two slots, so that's what we're gonna use. So let's click go, and the next thing we're gonna install is the storage. So we're installing it in the first slot, and look at how easy this is to remove. Okay, so now we'll just set this aside, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the power supply and attach the EPS cables and probably the ATX too. So while I unbox this power supply, I'm gonna go ahead and drop some lore for you guys on MLG. So MLG stands for Mulong Gi, which means Dragon Princess, and I read up on her story. So Mulangi is the youngest daughter of the ancient dragon king, but did you know that she was actually born without wings? Which is weird because she's a dragon princess, right? So what she did was she actually created her own wings, and that's why they look, you know, tech-like, and they're called luminous wings. So the more you know. Now, she had to create her own wings because she wanted to be one of the wing watchers or winged watchers of the kingdom. I know, I'm just reading up on her story on the official MSI website. And for you to be a winged watcher, is that even what it's called? I think that's not what it's called. But for her to be like a knight, so to speak, she had to go through all these trials. But that was why she created the wings, is because she wouldn't be able to do the trials if she didn't have any wings. I wish they expounded a little bit on as to why she was born without wings. Was she the only one born without wings or not? Like, earlier, I did point out a symbol on the motherboard, and we see that symbol again here on the power supply. So this is actually the symbol of MLG's tribe, the dragon tribe. So I like how they also have it here on the power supply, and it even has these horns for the detail. And then we have here the slots for the cables, and we have Luangi again right over here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go get the EPS cable to install it onto the motherboard and the ATX cable as well. All right, so remember how I told you how she had to go through a trial to be some sort of knight? Now I remember what they're officially called. They're called wing-born watchers. So yeah, that's the lore of Nia. Nia is like her nickname. She was born without wings. She tinkered. She built her own wings called the luminous wings. She has the scepter as well as her weapon, which she got after she passed the trials to become a wing-born watcher. And now she is, I believe, the only wing-born watcher of her realm. And she protects her realm as a wing-born watcher. So the more you know. Okay, I lied. I didn't remember. I just looked it up. No, do not pounce on the cables, please. Are you inspecting my work, Leia? Do you not trust me? All right. So remember how Nia created her own wings? Well, that's not the only thing she created. She also created her trusty sidekick. His name is Roarbo. Get it? Roar, because he's like a dragon, and bow because like a robot. If you still don't get it, it's kind of like Darth Vader and C-3PO. Okay, so this case is obviously the MSI PANO 130R, and they just modified it to the aesthetic of the MLG lineup. Pop off the other side panel. Okay, no I/O plate. Just line this up. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to screw the one that's underneath this heatsink. So now let's unbox the cooler. I really like how the cooler has this little chibi style statue of Nia. I'll show you guys what I mean. We have a photo of her here at the back. So the little stage that you see on the AIO, you could even put in the MSI Lucky statue that they have at the MSI shop if you want to switch it up every now and then. Ooh, what's this one? Oh, she has her own little box. Okay, we'll unbox her last. So the box contains the radiator with the fans. It's already pre-installed for you, so less work. Of course, the little Nia statue, and the bracket, the screws, and of course the stage, which she'll be standing on. This is funny. I like how it has a warning at the part where you have to peel off the sticker for the AIO. This is cool. Look at the MLG branding here. not forget to peel off the warning. Okay, everything's secure. Now let's stand it up. Okay, so this is the GPU, but it comes with the keycaps and stuff. We also have the accessory. This opens up. I think this is an anti-sag bracket right over here. And here's the GPU. Ooh. Look at that, that looks so cool. And now, come to think of it, I don't think there's any other red GPU on the market. It's my favorite, this little print of Longnia. So here is the MLG build in all its glory. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Alright, so here is the MLG build in all its glory. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.